If you experience excessive shedding of hair, stunted hair growth, split ends, or hair breakage, this natural herb will help revive your hair and repair your hair strands. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share a DIY herbal tea for hair growth and thickness. This herbal tea is very potent for hair length, hair thickness, and hair growth. Let's get started. Our first ingredient is rosemary. If you have the fresh rosemary, it is also potent and effective. Benefits of rosemary. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that stimulates hair growth and reduce hair fall. Rosemary is used to prevent premature growing of hair and dandruff. Our second ingredient is moringa powder. If you have not watched my video on moringa powder, please do well to watch how to prepare moringa powder. Moringa is also known as the miracle tree or the drumstick tree. Benefits of moringa. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, including vitamin A, B, C, E, iron and zinc. These nutrients work together to nourish hair follicles, strengthen hair strands, and improve the overall health of your hair. Vitamin A is particularly beneficial for the health of your hair because it helps to produce sebum, which moisturizes the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. Vitamin B, including biotin, are essential for hair growth and may help prevent hair loss. Vitamin C is important for collagen production, which is necessary for hair growth and maintenance. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Iron and zinc are essential minerals that can help prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. Add hot water and allow to sit for 5 to 7 hours and stir occasionally. This is to make sure that all the whole nutrients in the ingredient gets into the water. After 5 to 7 hours, sieve the water out using a sieve. After sieving and there is still particles, use a cheesecloth to sieve. Pour into your spray bottle and now our herbal tea is ready for use. This herbal tea is for all hair types, whether permed hair, dyed hair or natural hair. It's all good to go. If you're protective hairstyle, just go ahead and apply it on your hair and scalp. Massage your scalp and apply your hair cream. You don't need to wash it out. And if you're not on protective hairstyle, section your hair into different parts and apply. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.